and all. Good afternoon. Myself Uma Maheshwar Reddy Gurala. I am 7th standard in Ravi High School, Konatalapalli. Today my social seminar topic is Dr. Babu Rajendra Prasad. He was the president of Indian Constituent Assembly. Later he was elected as the first Indian Constituent Assembly. Later he was elected as the first independent India on 24th January 1950. In the last session of the Indian Constituent Assembly, he is the only president to have been re-elected for the second term, 1950 to 1962. He is born on 8th December 1896, Jharkhand. He is died on 28th February 1963, Patna. He is get the awards of Bharat Ratna. Thank you given for opportunity. Ravi High School, Konatalapalli.